Hey guys, Dave the Watchman here coming at you with another watch review video. And today I've got something special for you. It's another INVICTA watch. And you guys know I love my INVICTA watches. But before I get started, I just wanted to shout out to all of my current subscribers and say thank you guys all so much. I really do appreciate everything you do, all of your commenting, thumbs up, liking, subscribing. I really do appreciate all of your interaction with the channel because it always does help out. And if you are new here, I am Dave the Watchman. I review budget-friendly watches for the everyman because I don't believe that you should have to spend a fortune to look like you have a fortune. And if you do like that concept, I would definitely appreciate thumbs up because liking and subscribing always does help out the channel, especially if you want to see more watches and watch review videos, because that's what I do here at Dave the Watchman on YouTube. And if you want to check out my website, that's at davethewatchman.com, where I post all of the links to the watches that I do review here and some watches of interest in case you want to head on over and pick one of these watches up, buy one, and wear them for yourself. They are affiliate links, so they do not cost you anything more to click on them, but they do send a couple of dollars over to the channel if you decide to buy a watch through one of my affiliate links, and that is very much appreciated. So without further ado, let's get into the watch I have here today. Today I have an INVICTA 30021, and it is the black and gold version of this watch. Now, I do have a few other versions of this same watch. I really do like it. The watch comes in a presentation case with a pillow pad, and it looks like, what is this? It is a notice of the watch battery. Okay. So obviously it is a quartz watch. I do have a couple of other versions of this watch, and I really do like it. I love the fact that it's got the shark on the bezel, on the rotating bezel. Let's see if we can get a zoom in on this for you guys. Let's go. I do love how it has the shark on the bezel, and it also has a shark on the actual dial itself with the water, the waves around the time markers. This watch, very reasonably priced. When I tell you what the price is, you're actually not going to believe it. It's a very solid watch for the price, and it's very nice, very good build quality. And as INVICTA always does, they put the astronomical MSRP prices on the tag, which are usually wildly off. But anyhow, it's got the security clasp. It's got the INVICTA logo on the clasp. Very nice quality build on these things. I really do like them a lot. And you're not going to get a better deal for a good solid watch like this, other than going through INVICTA. INVICTA has some great watches, other good quality brand names that you've seen on my channel, like Pagani Design, and some other brands like Benyar. Also really good quality as well. But I review the budget-friendly watches, so the watches you'll see on my channel are usually below $100. I try not to go over $500 with my watch selections, because I don't believe you should have to spend that much money to get a decent watch, and this INVICTA is no exception to that rule. This is the INVICTA 30021, like I said before. And it does have a Japanese quartz movement. So although it is a quartz movement, it is a good quality quartz movement, the PC32 caliber, and it does have the flame fusion crystal on it as well. Very nice watch. Does hold up very well. I've worn my other versions of this INVICTA many times, gotten compliments on both of them. This watch right here, this style, has a 4.7 star rating out of over 18,000 reviews on Amazon right now. And the price on this thing is an amazing price at below $65 right now. So if you head on over to Amazon right now, you can pick this thing up for under $65, which is an awesome price for this watch. And it does come in many different colors and styles. This is the black and gold with the stainless, but it also comes in this solid gold color here with the bluish dial. And I also have the version with the champagne dial and the turquoise bezel. So all three of these watches are actually, they're the same design, and they have probably about, God, I want to say somewhere around 15 to 20 different styles that you can choose from. on Amazon. So if you don't like either one of these looks, you can still get the shark dial and the shark bezel on these watches in a different color combination or and a different band combination. So definitely head on over and check it out, if only just to check out the different colors and styles that they have, because you know something might strike you. But this is a like I said before, PC32 caliber Japanese quartz movement with the flame fusion crystal, and it's 100 meters of water resistance, so it is suitable for recreational swimming, snorkeling, just your general water sports, but just not for full-on diving. And like I said, many different colors and styles to choose from. But great watch, like I said, really solid bracelet on this thing. I've not had any issues wearing these watches. I've gotten a lot of compliments on them. So Invicta is a great watch. And like I said, I do budget-friendly watches. And the reason why I do budget-friendly watches is because if you end up having to, you lose one of these watches or something happens, you're not out a ton of money. And it actually happened to me because I do have so many different watches. And when I go on vacation or I go on cruises, things can happen. You can lose some watches, you can have watches, damaged, whatever. And I actually had a situation where I had a watch that I really, really liked. I just bought it not too long ago, and I really liked the watch. And when I went on vacation, I guess I lost it. I could not find the watch after I went on vacation, got back from the cruise ship, found out that I did not have the watch, and looked everywhere and couldn't find it. And I said, well, you know what? How much of a headache am I going to go through for this watch that was very, very reasonably priced? So I just ended up buying another one. And this watch is a beautiful watch that is meant to homage a much higher end watch. And the watch that this homages is about $780, I believe, depending on where you buy it. And I did not pay anywhere near $780 for this version of this watch. I think it was somewhere, you're going to laugh, somewhere around $15, but less than 20 bucks easily. Maybe even less than 10. Not really sure exactly what I paid for it, but it's a great quartz watch. It's solid. It looks beautiful, and you get that exact same look as that higher end watch that would cost you $780 or $750. So I was really, in a situation where if I had lost the original one, I would have been out $780. But because I went with the budget-friendly version of this watch, I ended up wearing it a couple of times, then I lost it, and I was able to actually purchase another one for a very, very reasonable amount of money. And that's why I do these budget-friendly watches, because I don't believe that you should ever have to spend that much for a watch. But this is a Podagar watch. I believe I got this thing on AliExpress, maybe Shein, not really sure. I'll take a look at it, and I'll leave a link to this watch in the description below as well, for you guys to head on over and pick it up. But it's a very, very beautiful watch. And if you know the watch that it's supposed to homage, you'll know that this is a pretty decent quality look for that watch. And, I have tried, I've gone to the jewelry store, I've tried it on, and it is very, very, very similar to the original watch. I'm not going to mention the name of that watch because, like I said, guys, I've gotten in trouble before for mentioning the brand names of watches, so I won't be doing that. But anyhow, this video is about the shark dial, the Invicta shark dial, the Invicta 30021, Japanese quartz movement, PC32 caliber, flame fusion crystal, 100 meters of water resistance, and comes in many, many different colors and styles. So if you guys are interested, I will post a link to these watches in the description below, and you guys can head on over and check them out and wear one for yourselves. Till next time, I am Dave the Watchman. I review budget-friendly watches for the everyman because I don't believe that you should ever have to spend a fortune to look like you have a fortune. And if you do like that concept, I would definitely appreciate that thumbs up. Liking and subscribing always does help out the channel, especially if you want to see more watches and watch review videos, because that's what I do here at Dave the Watchman on YouTube. So until next time, I will see you guys all in the next watch review video. Have a great week.